In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in next line of a cell. If you've ever tried to press enter in a spreadsheet and ended up jumping to the cell below, this is for you. Sometimes you want multiple lines of text inside a single cell. Think addresses, short checklists, or notes that read naturally. The goal here is to create a clean line break within one cell, so your content stays together and remains easy to read, sort, and filter. Start by opening your spreadsheet and choosing the cell you want to edit. Double-click that cell to enter edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the blinking text cursor inside the cell itself, not up in the formula bar. This lets you place the cursor exactly where you want the new line to begin, between words, after a punctuation mark, or anywhere you need the text to wrap. Now for the key move. While your cursor is positioned where the break should go, press and hold the Alt key, then tap Enter. Instantly, the text after the cursor drops to the next line, but stays inside the same cell. That's it. The line break is inserted, and you can keep typing on that new line, just like you would in a regular text editor. If you need more than one line break, simply repeat the same keystroke combination each time you want to start another line. A quick note about what you'll see on screen. In most cases, the cell will display each line neatly, and the row may expand automatically to fit the extra lines. If your column is very narrow, the text may still wrap visually across multiple lines within the same cell, which is expected. The important part is that the content remains in that single cell, neatly separated by the line breaks you added. This simple technique is incredibly useful for organizing information without splitting it across multiple cells. Use it to format addresses, stack short notes, or create lightweight multi-line entries that stay together when you sort or filter your data. And remember, if you accidentally hit Enter without Alt, you'll move to the cell below instead of creating a line break, so make sure you're holding Alt when you press Enter. To recap in one sentence, double-click to edit the cell, place your cursor where you want the break, then press Alt and Enter to start a new line within that cell. With this habit, your spreadsheets become more readable and much easier to maintain.